Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy the link to a table in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Sheets. And here it opens up in this view. From here we just have to select the sheet that we want to share and tap on the three dots next to its name. And then tap on copy link here. Now the link is copied to the clipboard, and if we want to share it with some of our colleagues, some of our friends, we can just go into a conversation and then insert this link there, and they can access the document afterwards. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.